Achieving consensus is at the heart of the standards development process. That's why public consultations are so important. They provide members of the public with the opportunity to have their input before a draft is finalised. NSAI takes comments from members of the public using the online facility Your Standards, Your Say. Your Standards, Your Say is a free, easy-to-use, web-based tool designed to encourage participation from all those who have an interest in viewing and commenting on draft standardisation documents. We'll now have a look at how you can go about commenting on the draft documents using this website. You can view and comment on drafts at nsainep.ie, also known as Your Standards, Your Say. If you have never used the site before, you will need to create an account by clicking Register in the upper left corner. Here, enter your email, name, organisation and country. After you have entered these details and agreed to the website's terms, you will be sent a confirmation email with your password. Once your email is verified, you can log on to view and comment on draft documents as you please. Now, going back to the home page, you can log into the site using the button on the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Scrolling down, you will see that the drafts available for public comment are organised on the site by category. If there is a specific draft you would like to view, you can also use the search function available on the site. Right now, let's do a search for BIM, also known as Building Information Modelling. When you have found the draft you're looking for, click on it to be brought to the draft's details. Here, you have the option to share the draft with a colleague, or to read and comment on the draft yourself. Let's do that right now. You will be brought to the draft's comments screen. At the top of the screen, there is a link to download the draft as a PDF. Depending on your preference, the PDF can be read on screen or printed off. While reading the draft, you may find a section on which you would like to comment. You can do so by simply filling out the form lower down on the screen. In this form, you'll need to enter the clause or subclause you're referencing, your comment, and your proposed change. We'd recommend wording your comment and your accompanying proposed change to be as clear and precise as possible. You can also select whether the comment is general, editorial, or technical. Finally, you can name the organisation on whose behalf you would like to make the comment. When you're happy with your comment, you can submit it to the relevant standards convener or save it as a draft to submit later. Please note that if you have several comments for one document, it is recommended that you submit each item separately. By submitting, you agree to the terms and conditions for the use of the Your Standards, Your Say portal. When submitting feedback to Your Standards, Your Say, be assured that each comment is carefully considered by the committee. However, due to the volume of comments we receive, NSAI cannot respond individually to those who make comments. However, we can assure you that the overall outcome is reflected in the final published standard. Thank you from all of us at NSAI Standards, and we look forward to getting your feedback.